Well, the first thing I would do is I'd use the internet to find where on earth do I want to live. For me personally, the environment in which I live is really, really important. So, for example, Simon, I wouldn't live in New York City. I would live somewhere like I live now, Carmel, California, or Coeur d'Alene, Idaho. But I would find a city that gave me life. It may not be a big city, but a small city. I would find a place that gave me life, that honored my values, that inspired me, that had me wake up feeling peaceful and safe and energized every day. And I would plant my roots in that place, whatever town or city it was. And then how I would go about building a network is I would get out and meet the community. I would find those things that are fun for me to do. For example, I would not go to plays or the opera. I don't like plays. I don't like musicals. I don't like the opera. I wouldn't go there. But I would go join or participate in golf activities and tennis activities. And I'm a poker player, so I'd find the poker players. I'm a fixed wing and helicopter pilot. I would go to the airport and find where can I rent an airplane, or how can I get more instruction in the helicopter? And I'd connect with those people in those places that are fun for me. And I would build relationships. And out of those relationships, I would find people who are missing community and vision and motivation and wealth building in their life. And I would offer them the opportunity to partner with me. It doesn't take very many people to build an empire in network marketing. So I don't need 100. I just need 8 or 10. Now, I may have to go through 100 to find those 8 or 10, but that's how I do it. I'm not an internet person. I wouldn't prospect people on Facebook. There's nothing wrong with it. People that love to do it should do it. But that's how I do it.